So I read a comment yesterday about Smokebox door for the models Trackmaster, and I have it here 3D printed. And actually, I made two versions. So this one does not have any rivets or bolts around, so that you can see the difference. Which of these you think will be good if you want to customize your model, since we can remove the faces of these engines? There are different sizes. The faces are bigger. This one is bigger than Gordon, that one is a little bit smaller, and Thomas has a smaller face. But this can be resized to any um, for any engine. I like better that this one with rivets. Well, that's my opinion. But okay, so here I made the 3D printed part for based on the comment. So thank you for leaving the comment. And if you want me to print something, leave me a comment on any video, and I'll try to do my best to 3D print your ideas. Excellent.